Hello, my name is Andrew Milhone, and this is an overview of my e-portfolio for the class EDU 218 Educational Technology. The first page on my e-portfolio is my home page, and this is just a very simple page which lists my name, the university that I attend, which is the University of Mount Union, and I have also listed a quote that I'm very fond of from our late President John F. Kennedy. Alright, the next page on my e-portfolio is my About page. And here we have another quote that I like very much. It's from Yoda, do or do not, there is no try. And also there's a picture of myself and a brief description of myself. I am a mechanical engineering student at the University of Mount Union. Lists where I'm originally from, some of my hobbies and activities that I am currently involved with, and so on and so forth. The next page on my e-portfolio is my contact page, which can be used to contact me directly if there are any questions, comments, or concerns, and which I will be able to respond to them as soon as I can. The fourth page of my e-portfolio contains the blogs in which I completed throughout the course of educational technology. The top post here is my day of unplugging, where I limited myself from all technology, including laptop, phone, social media, TV, just everything, for a single day, just to see how I would react and how my day would go without technology. And this was based on my tech diary, which is actually my next blog post here, in which I recorded how long I was using technology for a typical day. And this included my phone use, my laptop use, and also video games, TV, and such. And as we can see here, for example, my total technology use for a single day is 6.5 hours. So I, again, used that to go about my day of unplugging to compare it with. Some other blogs that I posted throughout the semester included copyright issues, cyberbullying, and acceptable use policies. This is very important for both the education field as well as the engineering field. Alright, the next page of my e-portfolio contains my resume. This is the most recent copy of my resume, in which you can see the very basic info that all resumes should include, including my education coursework, my relevant skills for engineering, work experience, project experience, and my accomplishments throughout my career. The final page of my e-portfolio is my projects page. Now, the first project that I have listed here is my EGE 120 Lego robot, in which a small team was assigned the task of creating a Lego Mindstorm NXT robot which would make people laugh. And the results of this project can be viewed in this video, which I have included below. The next project which I have listed is my wind turbine project experience. For my first course in engineering, Intro to Engineering, we were given the task of creating a functional low-budget wind turbine, and the result of that can be seen here. And various teams worked on this to create the tower, the blades, the rotational base, and everything that would make this work properly. And as you can see, it was a success. And this project actually stemmed into another course, our International Engineering Field Experience course, in which a wind turbine along with solar panels would be used to power an aquaponics system in the country of Belize, in which I will be traveling to in May. Alright, the third project I have listed is my toolboxing spiel, which I created for my physics course, Science, Sound, and Music. The goal of this project was to create a instrument basically from whatever you wanted to, and my project involved making a glockenspiel made from tools out of any ordinary toolbox. And I've included my final project report, which includes my background information on the project, the experimentation and development process, as long as results from it. So here we can see some of the sketches that I made, the actual product itself, and some resulting tests, equations, and everything. Here's a frequency spectrum of it, and so on and so forth, with conclusions, of course, at the bottom. And lastly, on this page I have my related links, which include the Mount Union Engineering Program as well as the American Society of Mechanical Engineers page. And that is my e-portfolio. I hope you have enjoyed it, and again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go to my contact page and I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you.